Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing 2 Valentine's Day projects. I haven't really dug into the Valentine's Day pool as of yet, but I did want to play around with some stuff just because I was seeing so many posts on Instagram. And of course, I got the little itch to want to create something. So I created a pocket letter and a tag flip, and I'll be sharing with you those 2 projects today. So first off, we're going to start off with this pocket letter, and this is how it turned out. It has a cute little pink pom-pom right here. I love Valentine's Day, you guys, because it's so girly, and if I can describe myself in any type of way, it would be that. It would be, I love everything that's pink and the mint and just that really girl effect. I love it. I love just to see things look super feminine. It's definitely my style in crafting. So that's a lot of my projects. You can kind of see that coming through because it's just my style. So here's the pocket letter that I created, and I think it's fairly simple. I have some washi samples right here for the recipient, and I don't really think it's over embellished. I'm going to try to move up and show you guys each pocket. And this is what it looks like. So we have like a little typewriter here with some page flags. These are some clips that I made. Let me see. Make sure that you guys can see really good. So that's just a little clip that I put there. Here's a cute little bingo card that I added a little puffy sticker to. And then in the second row, we have this cute little card that says the little things. And then I have the word remember here. So it would be like, remember the little things. These are some cute little cactus die cuts. And it just says, I adore you. And then I added another little puffy heart right there. Some enamel dots up here. And then this pocket right here just has like some little Scrabble letters. I spelled out the word love. And some little puffy stickers that say XO. I have some layered hearts right here. A little felt one and a little wood veneer one. You guys know I always do a shaker pocket, so I did cut out these little black and white ones are tissue paper, so I punched those out just to have one in each pocket. And then I have some sequins in here, some red, white hearts, lips. We got a little word sticker that says, you are the peanut butter to my jelly. And this cute little lip sticker that I just put right above the little trim to cover the little line. Sometimes I like to cover the line of when you infuse the pockets. So I have the little trim on the back and then the sticker above it just for layering purposes. And then the last card over here just says Happy Valentine's Day with this cute little porcupine that I added some googly eyes and a little puffy sticker and a little mint green paper flower. But yeah, you guys, that is my very first Valentine's Day pocket letter. I hope you guys like it. I love it. And I hope the recipient that receives it also likes it. So on to the next project. The next project is this beautiful tag flip. Super chunky, as you can see. And you guys, this was my very first one, and I do plan to make a bunch more. We have a bunch of different trim here that the recipient can use on other projects. And now I'm going to try to go through every little page so that you guys can see what it looks like. So this is the first page, and the first page just has this cute little cupid, and it says I heart you, and a bunch of sequins all around. The other side just has this cute little heart and the little love die cut. Then we have this little die cut that says I'm your biggest fan, which is so cute. A little tag that says you're a cutie, happy Valentine's Day. We have a little lottery ticket that you can scratch off. And then there's another little heart here, which is decorated with these cute little lovebirds, some hearts. It says start each day with a grateful heart. And then that's the other side. I'm loving all the pinks and the reds, you guys. Here's a little camera die cut from Michael's from last year. And then in this heart, we got some little tickets and some little ephemera pieces in here. Just a little heart that says forever and a little shaker heart. And then this one says, I love you, will you be mine? And then it says Valentine. And then there's a little treat bag with some goodies for the recipient that I've packaged up in this cute little XOXO packaging. Then we have a little felt heart. This cute little like cutout. That's a little like a lollipop, I think it is, or like a heart with a little bow. And then we have another tag that says you're special to me. This one says you're cute, hugs, and BFF. And these are last year from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. And then we have a little cupcake. This is another one from Michael's. A little bingo card. I love these for Christmas, and I love these for every like holiday. I think they're so cute. I like to incorporate them in my projects. Then we have this little heart right here, and it just says be my Valentine. And on the opposite side, I have like a little belly band with some little cutouts. We have this little cutout that says happy. This one is like a little donut, you know how much I love you. Here's some cute little heart shaped like glasses. A little mason jar filled with hearts. Then we have another little love coupon, good for a dessert night. This little piece of acetate with some hearts on it. A foam glitter heart. And then we have this little heart that says be mine. This little cute one with a little gold in the middle. This little speech bubble that says happy Valentine's Day. And then like another bag of little goodies. And then a little mix of sequins. And then the last page just has like this little heart-shaped rosette, and it says Happy Valentine's Day XOXO. And then in the back, I just put my Handmade by Lily. And yeah, you guys, that's the little super fun, chunky Valentine's Day tag flip that I've created. I'm going to be creating a bunch more. You guys know that I always go ham on projects and I make so many, but these are the ones that I wanted to share with you guys so far that I've created. Super fun. I'm having so much fun creating these projects. But yeah, I would love to know what you guys think. Do you like the pocket letter? Do you like the tag flip? If you were receiving, which one would you choose? I want to interact more with you guys in this new year. I want us to, you know, we're all friends here, we're all crafters, inspire each other, and I want to know what you guys think whenever I post a video of certain things. But yeah, you guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got inspired and go and create a bunch of Valentine's Day fun mail and share it with your pen pals. But please don't forget to thumbs up, hit that bell if you want to see every time I post a video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.